What is colony collapse disorder? You may have heard that around the country and around the world, honeybees are dying. But what's happening? Why is it happening? And why should you care? Colony collapse disorder, often known as CCD, is when all of the worker bees from a colony suddenly disappear, and scientists aren't entirely sure why. What's interesting about CCD is that the worker bees leave their offspring, or brood, behind. And strangely, there aren't any dead honeybees around the hive. To add to the mystery, other animals that usually invade abandoned honeybee hives actually shun it, at least for a while. Since the mid-2000s, the honeybee population of the United States has decreased over 30% every winter, and colony collapse disorder is a phenomenon that has been observed around the world. In 1947, there were 5.9 million honeybee hives in the United States, and by 2008, this number had dwindled to only 2.4 million. The most interesting thing about colony collapse disorder is that no one is exactly sure what's causing it. A popular idea is that pesticides may be causing CCD, while others believe that pathogens, mites, or malnutrition may be the answer. Most likely, CCD is caused by a multitude of factors, and so no one cause can be singled out. Okay, so we know that bees are dying at an alarming rate, and we have somewhat of an idea of what may be causing colony collapse disorder. But why should we care? They're just bees, and the fewer bees that there are means that I have a smaller chance of getting stung, right? Well, it turns out that honeybees are used commercially throughout the United States to pollinate crops. Every year, $15 billion of crops are dependent on honeybees for pollination, which means that there are huge agricultural and financial consequences to CCD. Almonds, peaches, apples, raspberries, and strawberries are just a few of the foods dependent on honeybees. So though it may seem like an inconsequential issue, colony collapse disorder in honeybees actually has a huge impact on our economy and in our daily life.